Hello, this is the SAMSON Cervical Collar Hard Adjustable, a high-quality, clinically designed cervical support for controlled neck stabilization, available in multiple sizes, with the size chart displayed on screen. Carefully remove the cervical collar from its packaging, ensuring all adjustable panels and fasteners are fully released and the collar opens completely. Position the collar around the neck with the chin resting comfortably on the molded chin support. Adjust the height settings as prescribed, then secure the Velcro closure firmly, maintaining stable immobilization without causing pressure or discomfort. To remove the product, gently loosen the Velcro. Open the collar fully and remove carefully without sudden neck movement. The SAMSON Cervical Collar Hard Adjustable is suggested for use in the following cases. Please consult a medical professional for proper guidance. SAMSON, trusted by professionals, designed for you.